2026 is either the year I build $100,000 in profit funding, or I found out publicly that I am not cut out for this. I'm going to be showing you my plan in this video. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel. I'm a 19-year-old forex trader still living in their parents' house, and my plan is to obviously achieve financial independence much sooner than usual. My only goal in 2026 is to build 100,000 in profit funding. It's not getting rich, it's not flexing, it's not daily withdrawals, but by getting this amount of total prop capital and keeping it. Now, but like I said, it's just building funding and keeping funding, no lifestyle upgrades. The accounts, I'm going to be having 2 separate accounts for this goal. So based on my strategy, I have a 5-minute strategy and I have a 30-minute strategy. Because I'm a student, I don't really have as much free time on my hand because of school. I'm going back to school on Saturday evening. So this 5-minute strategy is going to be from a specific time window and session only trades. So I'm only focusing on London session and taking maximum of 2 trades per day because it's 5 minutes. You can see multiple setups in a day. I'm focusing only on gold and NAS because I have backtested them and I know that they work. I'm trading according to my data. And for this, I'm going to be using Gold Funded Trader. I already have an account with them and they're okay, not the best profit, but like they're okay for this. So for 30 minutes time frame, this is so I don't have to look at the charts as often, and I'm going to be focusing on most JPY pairs because they are very, very good in my strategy, and indices like GER30. So I'm always going to, the rules just always good following higher time frame trend, and I'm using Funded Royal. They're a very new prop firm out there, and I think they are legit. Editor Daniel puts up the link. I will put up their websites here. Yeah, so let's move on. Per trade during the evaluation stage, I'm going to be risking 0.7% to 1%. So I want to pass the evaluation phases as quickly as possible. Even though I blow the account, I'm going to try and risk maximum 1% per trade, a minimum of 0.7% per trade, because I'm not getting paid for taking any trades during the evaluation stage. So it is in my best interest to pass them as quickly as possible. So I'm going to be applying the same risk strategies to both accounts, and hopefully when I pass, I get the payout. When I get the payout, I reinvest them into new prop firm challenges. And if the new funding amount is less than 100,000, I simply reinvest it into more accounts, as you can see by this arrow right here. And if yes, I just stop buying the new challenges and focus on consistency, protect drawdown, and regular payouts. This is the real one, because if I can do that, I'll be literally financially independent, because earning just 1% of $100,000 in prop firm capital in Nigeria, in my country, I stay in Nigeria, is literally mind-blowing. $1,000 is like 1.5 million naira, and that's enough for that's someone's rent for an entire year. Imagine earning that as a 19-year-old in 2026, bro. That would be really, really insane. So this is the real win. Focus on consistency, protect drawdown, and regular payouts. So I'm getting this total amount so that I won't have to rely on huge returns to make an impact or difference in my life. So I can get small returns like 0.5% or 1% per month and still live very, very comfortably. Yeah. And still live very, very comfortably in my country. So now that I've mapped out this roadmap, I'm going to be starting with a $5,000 prop account, then scaling up to higher accounts from there. So from $5,000, I'm going to move up to $10,000 to $50,000 till eventually $100,000. But the goal is just $100,000 only. So I'm not going to scale higher if I've achieved this amount. Now, what can make this roadmap go wrong? The first thing, number one thing, is school. School can make this whole thing fail, because I usually have classes during London session. So a trade setup might show up in 5 minutes time frame that I might not be able to take because I'm having class, and I'll miss a winning trade. Yeah, when it's time for me, so when I finally see a setup, I'll not catch a losing trade. So all this skews the results. It skew the strategy that has a positive edge into being negative because of external influences like life and other things. Although I believe that my strategy is strong enough to still be profitable even after those inconveniences, but it just makes passing them harder. Second thing that could go wrong is probably my impatience. So if I take it too long to pass a prop challenge, I could just do something like revenge trade and blow everything and reset my progress. So I'm also a I'm also a thing that could go wrong. I guess if you want to say that. But yeah, I'm going to try my best to be disciplined, and just keep on following my plan. And surely, I'm going to achieve my goal this year. I'm going to hold myself accountable. I'm going to be posting at least once per week, like weekly updates on how the challenge is going, the status on both accounts, and P&L screenshots, rule violations. If I break any of my rules, I'm going to be showing you guys right here. If I break any of my rules. And yeah, that's it. You guys have to keep me accountable. So if you're serious about trading and you're into this type of thing, I want to see if this plan actually works or not. Subscribe, I'll post the wins and especially the losses that are to come.